Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing DIY beauty elixir that you're going to absolutely love. We're diving into the world of handcrafted castor oil infused with the goodness of rosemary for hair growth, luscious eyelashes, and bold eyebrows. Are you excited? Well, let's get started. The benefits of castor oil and rosemary. Before we jump into the DIY process, let's talk about why castor oil and rosemary are fantastic for your hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Castor oil is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, fatty acids, and proteins that nourish your hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Rosemary, on the other hand, is known for its circulation-boosting properties and is believed to stimulate hair follicles, giving you those dreamy lashes and bold brows. The DIY process: making handcrafted castor oil with rosemary. To make our DIY elixir, you'll need some castor seeds, fresh rosemary, and a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil. First, take a clean, dry glass jar and add the castor seeds. These seeds will help extract the oil naturally over time. Next, pour your chosen carrier oil into the jar, covering the castor seeds completely. Carrier oils act as a base and help dilute the potent castor oil. Now, the magic ingredient, fresh rosemary. Pop in a sprig of rosemary to infuse the oil with its fantastic properties. Rosemary not only smells amazing but also brings its own set of benefits to the mix. Seal the jar tightly and give it a good shake. Place the jar in a cool, dark place, like a cupboard or a shelf, and let it sit for about 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, the oil will absorb all the goodness from the castor seeds and rosemary. Application and tips. Once your DIY castor oil with rosemary is ready, strain out the castor seeds and rosemary. Transfer the infused oil into a smaller glass bottle for easy application. Before bedtime, cleanse your face thoroughly. Using a clean mascara wand or your fingertips, apply a small amount of the oil to your eyebrows and eyelashes. For your hair, massage the oil into your scalp and distribute it through the lengths. Leave it on overnight and wash it off the next morning. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted castor oil with rosemary for boosting hair growth, enhancing your eyelashes, and nurturing those eyebrows. Consistency is key, so be patient and give it time to work its magic. If you enjoyed this DIY beauty elixir, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty and wellness content. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, you deserve all the self-care and pampering in the world.